There are horrendous dates in our history, such as January 6, 2020, and May 30th, 1921, the Tulsa Massacre. There are many, many dates of racially motivated police murders. There are also unmarked dates of ongoing deaths related to health issues, including COVID-19 here in the United States, of people living in neighborhoods suffering from environmental racism. A New York Times headline this April reporting on a new study read, "People of color breathe more hazardous air. The sources are everywhere." We cannot celebrate. I'm sorry. Maybe I better take just a little bit of a pause here and take a drink of water and take a breath. Okay. We cannot separate global warming from pollution. They are one and the same, which means if we address greenhouse gas emissions in the atmosphere, any action we take affects the air we breathe. This is particularly important to environmental justice. This new study analyzed data from 5,000 emission sources collected by the Environmental Protection Agency in 2014 to reveal just how unjust to people of color our society is, down to the very air we breathe. The study, done by the University of Illinois at Champaign-Urbana, reported on particulate matter air pollution, known as PM 2.5. The 2.5 stands for 2.5 micrometers of inhalable material. A human hair is 30 times larger than 2.5 micrometers. PM 2.5 is estimated to cause 85,000 to 200,000 excess deaths a year in the United States. One of the health concerns is asthma, as well as cancer. The study looked at the pollution at exposure to the pollution by race ethnic groups based on US Census data. Black Americans suffer exposure to sources of pollution, including almost every type of source, from industry to agriculture, from vehicles, including trucks and cars, to industry, from construction to restaurant emissions, such as restaurants that use cooking oils, much more than white Americans. And overall, people of color, including Black, Hispanic, and Asian Americans, are exposed to more PM 2.5 from nearly all sources. The study found the disparities at national and state levels, across income levels, and in rural and urban areas. Robert Doyle Bullard, a distinguished professor at Texas Southern University, known as the father of environmental justice, states that pollution is as segregated as our society.